Good afternoon. It's Sunday afternoon, 2:48 p.m. Central Time here in Hermitage, Tennessee. Just a quick reminder of the daily chats that are available Monday through Friday between 10 and 10:30 a.m. I am always available in an open chat room. The links will be in the description below. And on Monday and Thursday evenings at 8 p.m. Central, I am available. I may be in that room at other times, but you will always be able to find me there then. If you'd like to set up a separate private thing, you want to talk about something or get some help, contact me. Like I said, just a quick reminder of the new link and the new times for User2User-LIVE G+ community. Thanks for watching.